Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm your tour guide. Now I will presentation about Geosite Tambora. Before, let me introduce myself. My name is Anasa Jajahra, and I will explain and tell about cultural site Tambora. So we we begin. Cultural site Tambora. We have Tambora Kingdom. The Sangla Kingdom was the of three kingdoms located on the slope of Mount Tambora. The other two kingdoms, Tambora and Pekat, are said in the previous years to have been destroyed by the eruption by 1815 eruption of Tambora on Mount Tambora. Where is the located? The Sangar Kingdom was located on the slope of the Mount Tambora on the Sangar Peninsula, Sumbawa Island in West Sumbawa, West Tenggara. Why is it important? The Sangar Kingdom is the significant because it represents its civilization that surfaced a world-changing natural disaster. Unlike the Bird Tambora Kingdom, Sangar provides living connection to the pre 1815 cultural, with the surfing royal item, traditional and royal lineage. When the was discovered, the Sangar Kingdom, it was not visible the same way as the Bird Tambora Kingdom survived the eruption. Who the manages the legacy of the Sangar Kingdom, preserved and managed by the Senate, royal family, and the local community. Mention Sangar Abdul Aziz and descendant of the managed the historical legacies in his home. What is Kabupaten Dompu? The modern village, Desa Owi Panihi, is the village within the Tambora district of Bima Regency, West Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia, in the located on the slope of the Mount Tambora, which the here the geopark. Where's the located administration location? Owi Panihi is situated in the Tambora district, Bima Regency, on the island of Sumbawa, West Nusa Tenggara. Who manages local administration. The village is managed by the local government of Bima Regency of Village Official. Why is it important? Ecotourism and the sustainability is the important for the is contribution of the geopark ecotourism, offering natural beauty and glimpse into the local lifestyle. Cultural living heritage, unlike the Closed Kingdom Oipanihi represents the living culture of the people who resides within the geopark today. The community traditions from farming practice and the stories are the integral to the geopark cultural narrative. Historical context as village within the geopark is story in like the broader history of the Tambora eruption, showing how communities have adapted and thrived in the region since the 1815 disaster. How can we see it? Visit the village. Tourists can visit Desa Oipanihi directly, since the living community. Visitors can observe daily village life, explore the waterfall. The Auapinihi waterfall is primary attraction and accessible to visitors for trekking and swimming. Enjoy with the geopark visit can learn about Opanihi and other sites through good tours hours by the Tambora Geopark or local tour operator. Attended local festival participation in local events like those associated with the annual festival can offer deeper cultural experience. Next, Kupol Kuno Geopark Tambora. What is this? Archaeological potential. The Kapal Kuno or old ship is not physical object that has been fully excavated and the individual instead is refers to the potential discover or buried vessel nation based on the hierarchical recall and local information. It is believed that such a ship might have been the, the harbor one of the coastal kingdom like Tambora or Pekat and was subsequently buried by massive prolastic falls and asphalt from the 1815 eruption. The stick from kapal api Tambora is the critical to demonstrate this archaeological prophets from the kapal api Tambora mentioned in the another context. The latter reference a dark steamship named Tambora, which the was used the 20 country figure including Muhammad Atta. The Excel this is the informant vessel that this part the geopark heritage. Next, we have Doro Desa Doropeti. What is this? Desa Doropeti is the modern village, not historical or archaeological, like the burned Tambora Kingdom in the one of the main starting point for hiking climbing Mount Tambora. The village interreach into the Tambora Geopark with the focus on the sustainable development by connecting geological heritage, biodiversity, and local culture. Where is located? Well, located location Desa Doropeti located on the slope of Mount Tambora in the Tambora district, Dompu Regency, West Nusa Tenggara. Who the manage local management in the village? The government by its local village head of physical Dompu Regency and administration. Important Mountain Main Gateway is serves as vital access point for climber heading to subunit of Mount Tambora famous for its massive caldera. How can we see it? Visit the village. Visitor can travel to Desa Doro Peti directly to experience the daily of the local community. It's the accessibility by road from the Dompu Regency Center. That's all for me. Thank you for attention. See you.